participated in the reliability and maintenance, the RAM study. What can I expect from the learnings?
Yeah, great question. And at the highest level, you're going to get a great return on your investment. If you only close 10% of the gaps and opportunities that we identified, you're going to get 100-time return on that investment. But from the actionable insight, remember in a previous message, we talked about culture?
Yeah.
So this really provides a roadmap to address those cultural issues. Are you doing all corrective work? Or are you doing proactive, predictive work? When it comes to turnarounds, are you doing everything in a turnaround, or are you scheduling it outside of it? Are you touching every piece of equipment? From a personnel standpoint, are you staffed appropriately? Do you have the right number of reliability engineers? Are there a bunch of levels between the operator and the president of the company? What kind of culture do you have on site? It really does provide real actionable insight based on the RAM study results. So by comparing your process unit performance to the best in class, you really get to see where you want to spend your resources on improving your operation. So improving unit performance, improves site performance, improves the company performance.
Great, I'm looking forward to my results.
Me too.